shuffle, cut, deal, blackjack. Good morning. All right. Yeah, let's continue with our project here. All right. We are going to go to Blackjack Advisor. Let's make a copy of that latest one, module 11. Paste it and rename that to number 12. In this video, we are going to add some strategies in here. The best way to get this strategy is to let's see if we go to how about Blackjack strategy there, and then if you see this image right here, we're gonna make something similar to these things, all right, but with our own. Let's see what else in here. I notice I've got this guy right here, starts from 5 to 7. 5 to 7. In our case, we are going to start with 2. 2. Yeah, we're going to start with 2, 3, 4, 5 and up. 2, 3, 4, 5 to 17, and then we're gonna stay on the 17. All right. So let's code this. This shouldn't be hard. Last time we did the double down, so now we are moving on. Let's take a look at that. Can we still double down? Took the double down out, but we were able. Oh no, this is a no. Let's try that again. That was a blackjack. There you go. So last time I did not take that out, and that's still in there. So here we can double down. Look at that. Double down on 10 against 17. I bet you the strategy card says to double down on 10 or 11. But anyways, that's what we want to do. We want to get a strategy in there. And we are getting very close to finish. So so let's do that. Let's close that out. Go to create tab here and table designed. We are going to call this guy, how about strategy? Ooh, strategy ID. Yeah, you know what? Let's make this an auto number for now, and we're going to convert it to number later. Just a number. All right, this one will be a playing hand. Playing hand. That will be. Let's see. Let me think. It's gonna be short text because we're gonna put an ace and all that in there. Yep. Yeah, we'll see how this is gonna look up. Yep. Yeah, let's try that. If it doesn't work, we're gonna come back and do this again. All right. That is the playing hand, or player. That playing hand's good. And here is the dealer's up card. So we're gonna start with an ace. Again, short text, and then we'll start with 2, 3, 4. Remember the name of the attributes here, like fields here, do not start with a number, right? Always character. So that's why you see me typing out the number. That's 6, 7. It's not recommended to have an object start with a number, so just be careful. 8, 9, 10. 10 is the last number. 10s includes jacks, queens, and kings. Those are the 10s. And that's good for now. We're gonna mark this guy a primary key, and then we're gonna save this guy as playing strategy. How about playing strategy? Yeah, I think that's good. Playing strategy, like so. While we add it, let's go ahead and fill this guy out. See, we got one there. Playing hand. Now, the 2 is not gonna work because 2 means 2 aces. We're gonna have a group of aces by themselves. So we're gonna start with 3 also ace and 2. So again, that will start with the that will be in the ace group. However, the 4 will be 2 and 2. That makes it 4. All right. So this is the sum of the playing hand. So what happens if you are given 2 deuces? All right. Against the ace, you should always hit. All right. So hit against the 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. You can split. All right, but I'm gonna hit. I am very conservative. I'm very conservative. And the 3, I'm also gonna hit. All right. Remember, this is the strategy that is modified from the regular strategy because I feel like I am more conservative than the strategy. All right. Now this one right here, I'm gonna split. All right. SP split. Here again, SP split. SP. Now the 4, 5, and 6. These are considered bust cards. In the strategy, they consider 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are bust cards. All right. These are the dealer's sub cards. However, because I'm very conservative, I only consider these guys are main bust cards. This is medium bust card. This is a very, very low bust card. All right. I always view these 2 cards right here, the ace and the deuce, or the dealers help cards. All right. They tend to help dealers than the players. Okay. So so that is why I don't consider these 2 bust cards. Anyway, let's continue. And with the 7, I just hit. All right. Remember, you don't want to split on these guys because if you split, you're given a deuce. All right. Deuce is good to split. Okay, because if you're given the next card as a 7, 8, or 9, you can double down. Okay, so that's why we want to be able to double down on the 4, 5, and 6. All right, and here I just hit. I mean, that's my way of playing. Okay, but if you want to be greedy, go ahead and split them up. Okay, so 9 off, hit. All right, so the next one is the 5. All right, 5 could come up with the variety. We consider 2 and 3. All right, there's also another 5 with ace and 10, ace and 4. Okay, but these are hard 5, not soft. Again, if you're given a 5, you hit. You can split. You hit. All these are hit. All right. Yeah, these are all hit right here. And 6. Same. Now 6 could be 3, 3. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna cover the 3 later. All right, the pair. Okay, we're gonna cover the pair later. We're gonna cover the pair later. So let's do this. Let's do the 6 heart 6. Ace hit. Here, because we consider this 4, 5, 6 a bus card. Whatever I get, all right, whatever I get here, all the way up to 11, I always double regardless. All right, so I'm going to do double. That's the way I play. All right, double. Okay, and hit here. And hit, you always hit. Okay, 7, same here. Hit, oops, and similar to the now, you know why I don't group these guys together, like for example the way they had it, 5 to 7 and so on. That's because we want to go in there and pull out what we need. All right, so that's why they are individual stored. Oops, like so. Actually, yeah, that's good. Again, there's a 4-4, which is 4-4, which is 8. All right, you can split. I don't split on the 4-4. I only split on 3-3. Okay, so anyways, let's continue. Again, we're gonna do that. Oops. Let's get back there. Hit. Now you're 10. You are 10. Actually, we're gonna modify a couple more. This is a hit. All right, right here, because we got a 10. We got a 10 against the bus cards. Here I want to double down. All right, just in case we get 8 and up, 8, 9, and 10. That means we'll get 18 and up against the bus cards. Is real good. All right, so and the 9 here, 9 is hit is good. 9 here is good. Maybe double down. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, always double down against the bus cards. All right, and then you should hit. If you get 10. Okay, now some people want to double on this guy, just like we did earlier, because we had 10, we double down, we got 20, and then again 17. So, but I'm conservative, I'm gonna hit. All right, I'd rather win 1 than lose 2. So here's 11. Here's everybody's favorite. I'm gonna hit on this one. And again, I'm gonna hit and double down on these guys, and then hit on this 7. All right, now you want to double down. That's what the strategy calls for, but I'm not going to double down here. All right, now we got 12. We hit. Here is where some people hit against the other 2 up card number 2. I stand, and this is where you hit. All right, remember the others must hit on 16 to get 17. So if the other stands on 17, you must get 17 and up. That's the strategy. All right, that's a strategy. Okay, if you get 13, again, this all stand right here and hit. 14, similarly, you hit. Yep, stand, hit. 15, these are hard card. and then hit. Yeah, some people are afraid of hitting at when they get 15. Don't be afraid. If you're scared, don't play. Don't play. If you're scared blackjack, don't play. Or lose or bust. Yeah. Oops. You gotta hit. You gotta hit until you get 17 or up or more. Alright? And of course 17 all the way up is always 17 and up always stand. So I'm gonna mark this. Well, we don't have to put it in there. Alright? We know we hit. You know what? I'll go ahead and put that one. These are all stand across the board here. Alright? So that's just so we know 17 and up we stand. Alright? Now if you bust, you have no choice. You're busted, you have no choice. Alright, now let's move on to the A's. A's are, yeah, how about A's 1? That's 3. Now A's 1, A's rather, A's. Yeah, like I said, I am very conservative. I hate splitting aces. Splitting aces means you only get one card. Alright? I think there are a variety of blackjack. But regular blackjack, when you split aces, you only get one card. Well, let's think about it. If you split and you are given 10, that means 21. Alright, not a blackjack, but 21. But what if you are given another ace? That means you only have 2 or 12. Right? Or if you are given 3 or 2, ace 2 is 3 or 13, ace 4, ace 3 is 4 or 14, ace 4 is 5 or 15. So you can go backwards. That's why aces, yeah. So if I play, this is what I do. I hit. Alright, I hit. Here is here I want to double down because this is also an opportunity to double downs. If you notice where I got here, yeah, this is good right here. So if you want to not double down, split. Alright, because you are against the 3, which is a bust card. Alright, you know what? You know what? I'm just going to yeah, against the 3. You know what? Go ahead and split. Yep. So that's where we at. We're gonna split these guys right here. You know what? Even the deuce. Well, if you split the deuce, ace against the deuce, nah. Yeah, we're gonna do split because this is a bust cards right here, right? And against the 7, don't split. I mean, you could. You know what? Go ahead and split. And then right here, we just hit. Alright? Be conservative. You know, I'd rather win 1 than lose 2. That's how I always feel. If you can minimize your loss, you know, in any game, you are a winner. Alright? If you can minimize your loss. Alright, that's ace. How about ace 2? Alright, ace 2. Of course, you don't split. You cannot split. All right, and this is where my thing is here. I want to double down. Right now, the ace could be anything, right? So if I double down, I get 7. That's 20. If I get 8, if I get 8, that's 21, you see. But if I get 9, that's 12. 9 and 10s. What is the likelihood of getting 9s and 10s? Well, that you have to observe the cards that's coming out. All right, that's where you put your intuition into work. You have to put your intuition to work. Should you double or should you not? So this is a double or hit scenario. But against the deuce, with that ace, I double. All right. Similarly, regardless what shows up, against a butts card, you don't care what comes up next card. So when I play blackjack, and I like playing blackjack, when I play blackjack, when I double, I care less of what shows up, because I hope that my hope is that the dealer is gonna bust. All right. So when I have that thought in the head, I always wait for the 3s, the 4s, the 5, the 6. That's how I play. All right. And here's a hit. So you want to hit on 7 against 7, because you should always assume that the dealer's down card is a 10. Always. If you assume that, you are good. All right. So let's move on. This is similar to the ace 2. All right. That's what I'm going to be doing. Oops. A4. Oops. A4. Just like that. A5. Same thing here. Now ace5, yeah, you know what, I'm going to move up here. Here I'm gonna hit ace2. All right, but ace5 here I'm gonna want to double, and likewise everybody else. Now it's a6. So the opportunity to make money at the casino blackjack is to double down and split. All right, if you can find those guys, you're going to split. Okay, you're gonna split. All right, and a7. Always double down against the bust cards when you have good value. Ace8. Now ace8. Actually, you know what? My bad. I'm gonna go back here. A6 is good to double down. A7 right here. You got 18 already. Why would you double down, right? Why would you double down? I'm just gonna stand. I had a train of thought there. Similarly, like so. All right, and ace9, similar to the previous. We're just gonna type this out because when we query this back, all right, we want to know what we are told to do. Okay, and then of course ace10 is 21. So 21, you don't have to do anything. So those are aces. Those are aces. Now let's do the pair. The only two cards that you should split. The only two cards that you should split. All right, besides aces, are the 3. Yeah. And here against an ace, because I know ace is very strong ace and 2s are very strong for dealer. So I'm just going to hit here. I'm not going to split. All right. However, against a 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'm going to split because I want to make money. So my hope is that when I split, I want to be able to double. You see there? When I split, I want to double. That's the edge that you have. All right. Against a 7, don't split. Do not split. Well, you know what? We're gonna split against the 7. I'm thinking out loud. What could kill us if we split? If you split and you get a this is similar to this right here, ace 2. All right. If you split, you get 3 points. And you are avoiding 9 and up, 9 and 10. That's it. You're avoiding 9 and 10. If you are given 8, that's 11. If you're given 7, that's 10. You're given 6, that's 9. So this is where you want to be able, if you're given a 4, all right, that would make 7. And you can draw another card that could make 17. All right. So that's why you split here. That's why you split there. Yeah, this is hard one. Yeah. Remember, I'm very conservative. I'm very conservative. What is the likelihood of drawing an ace to make a 17, right? Of course, I want, if dealer's got 8, we assume dealer's got 18. All right. So being conservative, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hit. I'd rather lose 1. I'd rather lose 1 than lose 2. Yep, I'd rather lose 1 than lose 2. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then the other split that you should do is the 8s. 8s and 3s will go a long way. They look the same. Converse, if you look at backwards, we're looking to hit an ace, deuce, trace, those 3 cards. All right, if you hit those guys, you can double. All right, so that's why you 8 is 16. You hit on ace, you stay against 2, you stay against 3, you stay against 5, 4, 5, and 6, and then you split against 7 and 8. Okay, and the rest you hit. Those are the only things that you need to remember. I think that's all strategy. That's it. That's all the strategy that we need. All right. So now I want to do this. I want to go back to a design and convert this guy to a number. So I'm going to take that out and then save. Alright, and then save. And that's it. The next thing that we need to do is to create an object for this guy. Yeah, let's go back to the behind here. I am going to what is this? Playing strategy. I'm looking at this name right here, playing strategy. So let's go insert class module, type in playing strategy. Alright, and then go to the front here, click on this create object, type in playing strategy, copy, flip back to the code behind and save. Alright, I'll go ahead and copy this guy right here, copy that name and insert the module, and then replace this guy with that and VBA Access. Now let's flip to the front, select the right hand side, copy, close the form, back to this guy, there, save. Alright, now we need to grab the new ID. Now the new ID is, keep going, card right there. I'm gonna copy this guy, copy, playing strategy. Let's put it way up here. Alright, and then go back to playing strategy, replace this guy with playing, do we have that one? Nope, not that one. Playing strategy DB access new card ID, new card ID. Oh, you know what, let's change that name. I forgot to change the name. Change the name. It's new strategy ID, new strategy ID. Save. Alright, and let's go back here, finish this guy right here, new strategy ID. That's that. That is that. I wanna go ahead and list this guy. We might need this and we might not. Alright, we might need this, we might not, but let's try it. Call playing strategy, strategy as playing strategy, and then we can have a function. I'm going to copy this guy right here, and then say get playing strategy. Alright, I'll go ahead and copy this guy, copy, replace this guy right here. Matter of fact, you know what, gotta change this one right here. Now I'm added new strategy ID there, forgot that. Okay, save, and here is a strategy ID, new ID from playing strategy, and here we got we need, you know what we need here. I'm going to put how about index here as integer. Now instead of doing that, we're going to say get everybody. And then let's see how we're going to do this here. Thinking out loud as I'm typing. Alright, I'm going to get rid of this guy. As I've done in the past, we always want to redeem. Alright, so we are going to redeem. Redeem. Now redeem without preserve here, it just erase everybody. So I'm going to say redeem playing. Let's think about this. Yeah, I'm gonna we need to change that name because this and this is real similar and we don't want it to get messed up. So I'm gonna put an O in front of that guy. Alright, put an O in front of that guy. Now we can continue. Strategy. Redeem strategy. And then put the index in here. Alright, now we can say set O. I'm gonna just copy this guy right here. Copy. Set new strategy. I'm just gonna take this guy out just like that. Alright, and now we can say, you see that, we can say playing hand empty. So then we can validate if we have anything in there. Alright, so that's a good way of protecting yourself when you use a class object, is that you can say, hey, give me this guy. Alright, give me this guy. Also one thing I forgot is the strategy ID. Where's my strategy ID? Right there. I'm gonna default this to 1. You see that? I'm gonna default that to 1. And I'm gonna copy the entire thing here in my clipboard. Now let's continue. Do until rs end of file. Alright, and then we're gonna say loop. Move next, and up here we want to say move first. Move record to the first position, and right in here, this is where we get a little fancy. You see here, and that's why I put in there. Now we have to put preserve. Alright, here is clear everybody. Alright, clear the 3, the 4, and the 5. Here it says, okay, don't clear anything, just continue with whatever index it is. Alright, now we can say index equals index plus 1. Alright, and this time we're going to do this. Playing and I'm going to copy this guy right here. Copy ace 2 3. I'm not sure what if we need this, but we'll, I mean, it's not bad to have all your function ready to be used. So, but we'll see. We might find a use for it. All right, we might find a use for it. If not, that's okay. If not, that is okay. Last one. That's right. That's it. Alright, that's how you get the array going. Like the shuffling the card choose. Alright, we do one time. Alright, we shuffle and then we get the card one time, and then we just use that set without having to go to the database again or data table. Alright, let's go to the front end. Let's go to the front end. We are going to make a card. Make a card. How are we gonna make a card? Let's take a look at this guy. See what this guy looks like here. Oh yeah, this is good. That's good. We can definitely use that guy. So I'm gonna make a copy of that. Paste. Let's call this guy playing strategy. And let's open it up. Let's see what we can do here. Need to change the record source here to playing strategy, right? And I'm gonna expand this guy. As a matter of fact, this will be our playing hand. So let's rename this guy to player. I think that's good right there. And the top card, the right side here. You know what? I'm trying to think. You know what? We're gonna do this. We're gonna make this guy a little teeny, like so. Maybe there. And I am going to select all of these guys and make the size narrowest. Ooh, let's undo that. Did I miss something? Oh, I got you. There's a field right here. There's a field right there. Yeah, we are going to undo that. So move this guy out of the way. Do that. Select that guy. Select that guy. And select that guy. Now we can do size narrowest, like so. Right. All right. Let's name this guy strategy ID, like so. And then we're not gonna worry about this much. We're just gonna thinking of just have it open up. That's it. That's all we need. All right, let's copy this second one. That should be A's. All right. You know what? I'm going to make this guy a little smaller because this is an up card. You see, this there is up card. So we can make that guy smaller. Copy this. Get rid of this little funny here. Let's copy this guy right here. Copy, paste, and move it to the right. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I think that should be good right there. That should be good right there. And then I'm going to copy this label, paste. Similarly, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright. This is player's hand, playing hand. This guy right here is ace. So this guy right here is number 2. This guy right here is number 3. Guy right here is number 4. Guy right here is number 5. Six. 7. 8. 9. 9 and 10. Just like that. Now we need to fix this guy right here. This guy should be 8. That right there 2. You know what? I'm going to spell it out. Number 2, like so. 3. I'm going to spell it out. You know what? Let's go back. Like that. No, it's going to be small. It's going to be small, so we can make this guy wider, I guess. Yeah, you know what? Let's make this guy wider. Let's make this guy wider. See how we're going to do this. See how we are going to do this. Yeah, let's move this out of the way. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's kind of pull this guy apart right here. Alright, let's move this guy back position there. Move this guy way out there. That's 6 right there. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, we'll do the same. I'm gonna pull this guy up. Put this 10 right there. 9. You know what? I'll go ahead and type this out. 8. This guy is 10. Seven there. 6. 5. 4. That's good right there. Just gonna scoot this guy over and type 2. And that's an ace. Just like that. Also, I want to make this guy centered. So text align right here, right there, centered, and maybe bold a little bit. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. I'm gonna make this guy white. Make this guy white, which you can see. And we're gonna background this guy, back color right here. I'm thinking about that's not too shabby. That's not too shabby. And then I'm gonna move this guy down here, select everybody there, and make this background more like a orange. Yeah, that's not too bad right there. All right, I'm gonna make this guy green. Make this guy green. Just like that. Just like that. One thing that we need to do is scoot this guy to the left so that it fills up. I'm gonna move this guy down here because I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do that. Oops, my bad. Go back. There. See, I've got this guy filled up, and now we're gonna push this guy up. Excuse me. That looks good right there. All right. Let's make this guy pop up a module, and we don't need the record selector. No. And how about go to the unload? We're gonna change his name right here. See how we make copy of those guys? I'm gonna take these guys out. Now on form, we're gonna do this. Caption. Playing strategy. Just like that. That would be the caption. Alright. So now we can click on that. Oops, not that one. This guy. Just like that. Alright, just like that. Let's you know what, let's get rid of these white portion here. It looks pretty good, by the way. So we're gonna do, we are going to do, go to the all right here. How about scroll up, my bad, I couldn't find it right here. Order center. Scroll bar, no. Which one did we copy that from? Is it card right here? You know what, let's take a look at that. I was looking at something that says scroll bar right here. You see there? We only want vertical. I saw that and I said, okay, let's fix that. Save. And that's the same as this guy. Double down. So scroll right here, vertical only. Alright, now let's get back here. How about the scroll bar? Neither. Good. What else do we need? Let's take a look. See what else do we need to fix. Save. Yes. Oh, that looks good right there. Actually, the bottom portion here. See there? What can we do with the bottom portion? What can we do with bottom portion? To me it looks good. Wonder if we change the, how about, I wonder if we change this guy to thin. What does it look like on thin? Looks pretty thin to me. Looks pretty thin to me. And you cannot resize. I think I like that. I think I like that. That looks good. That looks good. All right. Let's continue. We're almost done. We are almost done. Let's go to a playing blackjack. Basically, I just want to copy this guy right here, the stand, and then change that to CMD strategy. Just like that. Alright, and I'm gonna go to a code in front here. I'm gonna put this guy as private sub CMD strategy. Click, do command open form. I can do it like this. So form play strategy, just like that. All right, let's see how it looks. Playing. Look at that. Nice. Nice. See there? So you can say, hey, shuffle deal. Okay, that's a stand, obviously. Ooh, it's a push. All right, let's try again. Deal. Let's see what it tells us what to do here. Look it up. We have 15. You see that 15 player, 15 against the dealers 4 card. What to do? For stand, stand, right there. Okay, so let's close that and let's stand. That's uncalled for. That is uncalled for. All right. One thing I want to do here, playing strategy here. I am gonna take out the minimize, maximize. See right here. Disable, none. We just want the close button. All right. See how it says close button. Save. Alright, let's try that again. Just like that. See how we got close only, no maximize, no minimize. That looks good right there. That looks good. So that's what we're going to be doing. In the next video, we are going to see what we're going to do here. I want to start putting out the canvas here, the table, so it looks better. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. 3 against dealers up card number 3. What does it say? 5 against up card number 3. Hit. It says hit. Yeah, hit. So we're gonna hit. Ooh. Let's hit again. 6 is a hit. 19 stand. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. That is how to do it. Well, that's what we came to do. Is to get out this strategy. Yeah. Let's see what I want to do here. The next video. I don't quite know what to do next, but I do think I need to put a table, like, you know, playing table up here somewhere. Alright, well, stay tuned. Let's see what I come up with next. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.